Hi friends, and welcome back to Tony's Fitness channel, where we provide valuable tips and advice to help you achieve your fitness goals. Alright, are you ready to transform your midsection and get killer abs fast? In this video, we'll share some quick tips for an effective workout that will help you achieve the results you desire. So, let's get into it. Before we begin, remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more tips and tricks just like this. With that out of the way, let's go. As always, consistency is key when it comes to building strong and defined abs. Make sure to combine these exercises with a healthy diet and regular cardiovascular exercise for optimal results. Exercise 1. Plank variations. Planks are a fantastic exercise for targeting your core muscles. Start with a basic forearm plank, ensuring your body forms a straight line from head to toe. Hold this position for 30 seconds to a minute, gradually increasing the duration as you build strength. You can also try side planks, plank jacks, or plank variations on a stability ball to add variety to your routine. Exercise 2. Bicycle crunches. Bicycle crunches are an effective exercise that targets your rectus abdominis and obliques. Lie flat on your back, lift your legs off the ground, and bring your right elbow towards your left knee while extending the right leg straight. Alternate sides in a smooth pedaling motion, engaging your core with each repetition. Aim for 15 to 20 repetitions per set, and gradually increase the number of sets as you progress. Exercise 3. Russian twists. Russian twists are another great exercise for working your obliques. Sit on the ground with your knees bent, lean back slightly, and lift your feet off the ground. Twist your torso from side to side, touching the ground with your hands on each side. To make it more challenging, you can hold a weight or a medicine ball. Aim for 10 to 15 repetitions per side, and gradually increase the intensity as you get stronger. Exercise 4. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are a dynamic exercise that engages your entire core, while also providing a cardiovascular challenge. Start in a push-up position, then alternate bringing your knees towards your chest, simulating a running motion. Keep your core tight and maintain a steady pace throughout the exercise. Aim for 30 seconds to a minute of continuous movement. Exercise 5. Hanging leg raises. Hanging leg raises are an advanced exercise that targets your lower abs. Find a stable bar or use a captain's chair apparatus. Hang from it with your arms extended and raise your legs until they are parallel to the ground. Lower them back down with control, feeling the tension in your abs throughout the movement. Start with a few repetitions and gradually increase the number as your strength improves. Remember to engage your core and avoid swinging or using momentum to lift your legs. Now that you've learned these effective ab exercises, let's talk about some additional tips to maximize your results. Tip 1. Maintain a healthy diet. Remember that abs are made in the kitchen. Focus on consuming nutrient-dense foods such as lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Avoid processed foods, excessive sugar, and unhealthy fats, as they can hinder your progress. Tip 2. Stay hydrated. Drinking an adequate amount of water throughout the day is essential for overall health and can support your fitness goals. Hydration helps with digestion, muscle recovery, and maintaining energy levels during your workouts. Tip 3. Allow for rest and recovery. Your muscles need time to repair and grow stronger. Aim for at least 1 or 2 rest days per week to prevent overtraining and reduce the risk of injury. During this time, prioritize quality sleep to support muscle recovery and overall well-being. Tip 4. Be consistent. Building killer abs takes time and dedication. Create a workout schedule that works for you and stick to it. Consistency is key in achieving your fitness goals, so make sure to prioritize your workouts and stay committed. Tip 5. Maintain a healthy lifestyle. Exercise and nutrition are essential, but it's also important to adopt a healthy lifestyle overall. Minimize stress, get regular physical activity outside of your ab workouts, and avoid unhealthy habits like smoking or excessive alcohol consumption. Incorporate these tips into your fitness routine, and you'll be on your way to achieving killer abs faster than you think. Remember, results may vary depending on individual factors, but with dedication and perseverance, you can achieve the strong, toned abs you desire. That's it for today's video, guys. We hope you found these quick tips helpful. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and workouts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.